The Tesla Semi represents a monumental shift in the heavy transportation industry, signaling a new era where electric trucks redefine the standards of logistics, efficiency, and sustainability. Designed from the ground up by Tesla, the Semi isn't just another electric vehicle. It's a symbol of how innovation and environmental responsibility can coexist to transform one of the world's most polluting industries. The truck's arrival marks a turning point not just for Tesla, but for the global freight market that has long depended on diesel and fossil fuels. The large-scale production of the Tesla Semi is scheduled to begin in 2026, with a dedicated Gigafactory located in Nevada. This factory, sprawling across 1.7 million square feet, will be capable of producing up to 50,000 units per year. Such capacity highlights Tesla's commitment to industrializing electric heavy transport at a scale never seen before. By separating the Semi's production line from other Tesla vehicles like the Model Y, the company ensures focus, efficiency, and continuous innovation tailored exclusively for commercial logistics. Tesla's Nevada facility symbolizes a broader strategic move to dominate the logistics market through vertical integration. From battery design to final assembly, Tesla's control over the supply chain enables it to optimize costs, enhance performance, and reduce reliance on external suppliers. This is crucial in an era of volatile energy markets, where companies are desperate for predictable and efficient alternatives to diesel. The Semi's production will thus mark Tesla's most ambitious manufacturing project since the launch of the Model 3. At the heart of the Tesla Semi lies its revolutionary 1 megawatt-hour battery pack, designed for extreme performance, durability, and efficiency. Unlike traditional electric trucks, the Semi's battery is engineered with cutting-edge chemistry that increases energy density while reducing overall weight. This balance allows the truck to maintain high range without sacrificing payload capacity, a critical factor in freight transport. The result is a truck capable of covering up to 500 miles on a single charge. The battery's lightweight design also helps the Semi maintain competitive cargo limits, an essential requirement in logistics operations where every pound matters. By utilizing Tesla's latest advancements in battery materials and cooling systems, the Semi's battery operates with higher efficiency and longevity. This technological leap ensures not only greater performance, but also a longer life cycle, which directly reduces operational costs for fleet owners. One of the most groundbreaking features of the Tesla Semi is its bidirectional charging capability, known as EPTO, electric power takeoff. This system enables the truck to not only charge from the grid, but also discharge energy back into it. In essence, each Semi can act as a mobile power station, contributing electricity during peak demand periods. This means that while parked or idle, fleets can actually generate additional income, turning downtime into profit. The integration of EPTO represents a revolutionary concept in logistics, transforming fleets into active participants in the energy ecosystem. Companies could potentially offset operational costs by selling stored energy back to the grid or supporting local microgrids. This innovative energy management model also supports renewable energy integration by stabilizing power availability during fluctuations in solar or wind production. Tesla's vision extends beyond transport. It's about building an interconnected, self-sustaining energy infrastructure. To support the Semi's massive charging demands, Tesla is developing a nationwide network of megachargers. These ultra-fast charging stations are strategically placed along key transport corridors across the United States, ensuring efficient route coverage for logistics companies. Each charger can restore up to 70% of the truck's battery, around 560 kilometers, within just 30 minutes, aligning perfectly with mandatory rest periods for drivers. Tesla's megacharger network isn't just about speed, it's about ecosystem integration. The stations include facilities for driver rest, vehicle maintenance, and even fleet management operations. By building this infrastructure from scratch, Tesla ensures the Semi operates in a seamless and efficient ecosystem, one that supports the entire logistics chain rather than just the vehicle itself. The interior design of the Tesla Semi emphasizes driver comfort and safety above all else. Unlike traditional trucks, the driver's seat is positioned centrally, offering better visibility and balance. The cabin is designed to minimize vibration and noise, reducing fatigue and improving concentration during long hauls. Every detail, from the ergonomic seating to the large touchscreen displays, reflects Tesla's user-first philosophy. By enhancing the driver's experience, Tesla addresses one of the most pressing challenges in the logistics industry: driver shortage. Truck driving in the United States is a high-stress profession with long hours and limited comfort. By creating a cabin that feels more like a modern office than a machine, Tesla is making the job more appealing and sustainable. In the long term, this could help reverse the declining trend in the number of active truck drivers. Safety is another cornerstone of the Tesla Semi's design. Equipped with advanced sensors, cameras, and automatic braking systems, the truck constantly monitors its surroundings. Its suite of driver assistance features, derived from Tesla's autopilot technology, helps prevent accidents and maintain safe distances on highways. The Semi's low center of gravity further reduces rollover risks, offering unparalleled stability for such a large vehicle. Tesla's software-first approach sets the Semi apart from all competitors. The vehicle is not just a machine, but a constantly evolving platform. Over-the-air updates enable Tesla to enhance performance, optimize energy consumption, and introduce new features without requiring physical modifications. This means that a Semi purchased today will continue to improve throughout its lifetime, just like Tesla's passenger cars. Fleet managers will also benefit from Tesla's software ecosystem. Real-time monitoring tools provide insights into vehicle health, battery performance, and route efficiency. Predictive maintenance algorithms detect potential issues before they occur, reducing downtime and ensuring operational continuity. This data-driven approach transforms fleet management from reactive to proactive, maximizing profitability. From an economic standpoint, the Tesla Semi presents a compelling case despite its high upfront cost. Priced at approximately $400,000, it may seem expensive compared to diesel trucks. However, when total cost of ownership is calculated, including savings on fuel, maintenance, and government incentives, the Semi becomes a clear winner. Studies estimate that each unit could save companies up to $200,000 over its operational lifespan. Fuel efficiency plays a major role in this calculation. While diesel trucks average around 0.59 per mile in fuel costs, the Semi operates at just $0.21 per mile on electricity. Over hundreds of thousands of miles, these savings become substantial. Moreover, the lower maintenance costs associated with electric drivetrains, fewer moving parts, no oil changes, and reduced brake wear, make the Semi an economically sound investment. Tesla's entry into the heavy trucking sector also has broader implications for the economy and environment. By replacing diesel with clean electric power, companies can drastically cut carbon emissions and improve air quality. The shift toward electric trucking aligns with global sustainability goals and could inspire stricter emissions regulations across industries. Tesla is effectively pushing the entire market toward greener practices. The economic incentives don't end with fuel and maintenance savings. The Semi's ability to sell energy back to the grid adds a new dimension to its financial model. Companies could participate in energy markets, providing grid stabilization services or earning credits during peak demand. This concept blurs the line between transportation and energy production, giving fleets dual functionality. Another overlooked benefit of the Semi is its role in logistics optimization. Because of its software integration, Tesla's trucks can communicate with one another and with dispatch centers. This interconnectedness allows for dynamic route adjustments, optimized delivery times, and coordinated fleet movements. In essence, the Semi creates a smart logistics network capable of learning and adapting in real time. By building an entire ecosystem, from vehicle to charger to software, Tesla ensures that its semi-trucks are more than just electric replacements for diesel vehicles. They are part of a broader strategy to redefine the logistics landscape. The company's holistic vision means that every component of the system is optimized for efficiency and sustainability, reducing waste and maximizing output. The Nevada Gigafactory itself serves as a model of Tesla's green manufacturing principles. Powered by renewable energy sources and designed for minimal environmental impact, it embodies Tesla's philosophy of sustainability at every level. The factory's scale also provides Tesla with manufacturing agility, allowing rapid adjustments to production based on demand or technological improvements. Tesla's ability to innovate at scale gives it an unmatched advantage. Unlike startups attempting to enter the electric trucking market, Tesla has years of experience in battery production, supply chain management, and software development. This integrated expertise allows it to bring products like the Semi to market faster and at lower cost than competitors, creating a formidable barrier to entry. As the 2026 production date approaches, anticipation continues to build among major logistics players. Companies like PepsiCo, Walmart, and UPS have already placed orders, seeing the potential of electrified freight transport. Early pilot programs have demonstrated that the Semi can outperform expectations in both range and cost efficiency, solidifying its place as a future industry leader. The feedback from initial users has been overwhelmingly positive, particularly regarding the Semi's performance on long routes and its acceleration under heavy loads. Drivers have praised the truck's handling, comfort, and quiet operation, qualities rarely associated with heavy-duty vehicles. Tesla's focus on user experience appears to be paying off, setting new standards for what commercial driving can feel like. The implications of this success extend beyond Tesla's balance sheet. If the Semi proves scalable, it could prompt a chain reaction across global transport networks. Entire fleets could transition to electric within a decade, dramatically reducing fuel imports, lowering emissions, and reshaping how goods move across continents. Such a transformation would have profound economic and environmental effects. At the same time, Tesla's approach to data-driven operations introduces a new dimension to logistics management. The Semi's connectivity allows companies to collect unprecedented amounts of data, which can be analyzed to further enhance efficiency. This fusion of transport and technology could make logistics smarter, safer, and more profitable than ever before. Tesla's emphasis on sustainability goes hand in hand with global efforts to combat climate change. The heavy transport sector is one of the largest contributors to carbon emissions, and electrifying it could have a massive impact on the planet's carbon footprint. The Semi's zero-emission design represents not just an engineering feat, but a moral statement about the future of transportation. Beyond its environmental and economic value, the Tesla Semi also signals a philosophical shift in how we perceive machines. No longer are trucks seen purely as tools of labor. They become intelligent, connected entities capable of contributing to both commerce and energy networks. This is the essence of Elon Musk's vision, merging technology and sustainability to create systems that serve humanity on multiple levels. If successful, the Tesla Semi could become the backbone of a new era in logistics. The concept of fleets functioning as both transport and energy assets might redefine corporate strategies across industries. Companies would not only move goods but also generate, store, and distribute power as part of a vast interconnected system. The potential scalability of Tesla's truck technology opens possibilities for global expansion. Once proven in the US, the Semi could penetrate European and Asian markets, where emission regulations are even stricter. Countries striving for carbon neutrality could adopt the Semi as a cornerstone of their green infrastructure plans, reinforcing Tesla's global influence. Tesla's innovation has always gone beyond building cars. It's about changing industries. Just as the Model S transformed the automotive sector and the Powerwall redefined home energy storage, the Semi aims to revolutionize freight transport. Its introduction could eventually trigger a domino effect, forcing legacy manufacturers to accelerate their transition to electric models. The Semi's long-term impact could also extend to urban environments. As electric logistics expand, city air quality will improve, noise pollution will drop, and operational costs for urban deliveries will decrease. The ripple effects on public health and infrastructure could be enormous, making electric trucking not only a business decision, but a societal investment. In many ways, the Tesla Semi is more than a product. It's a platform for innovation. By combining advanced engineering, renewable energy integration, and autonomous software, Tesla is crafting a vision of the future where technology harmonizes with ecology. It's a demonstration of how human ingenuity can reshape even the most traditional industries for the better. Every major technological leap in history has started with a bold idea. The Tesla Semi is that idea for the 21st century's transportation sector. It challenges assumptions, redefines value, and introduces sustainability as a core principle rather than a luxury. Whether through direct economic benefit or broader societal impact, its influence will be felt for decades to come. The story of the Tesla Semi is still being written, but its message is already clear. The future of freight transport is electric, intelligent, and sustainable. By merging performance with purpose, Tesla has once again demonstrated that innovation isn't just about building machines, it's about reimagining possibilities. The Semi is not just a truck, it's the engine of a cleaner, smarter world in motion. The global trucking industry is standing on the edge of a massive transformation, and Tesla's entry through the Semi has forced both established and emerging manufacturers to rethink their strategies. Traditional giants like Daimler, Volvo, and Freightliner are already developing their own electric models in response. But Tesla's advantage lies in its head start. Its proprietary battery technology, vertically integrated supply chain, and real-world data gathered from millions of electric vehicles give it an unmatched lead in performance and cost efficiency. This lead is further reinforced by Tesla's software ecosystem, which no competitor has managed to replicate. While most traditional manufacturers focus on hardware improvements, Tesla sees software as the soul of its vehicles. Continuous updates not only keep the trucks current, but also allow the company to collect valuable driving and performance data. This data-centric model creates a self-improving fleet, something that rivals relying on third-party systems cannot easily match. However, the rise of the Tesla Semi also highlights challenges that the electric trucking sector must address. Chief among them is the need for massive energy infrastructure to support large-scale electrification.